Either if you want to add phone number on Busha, then this video is for you. First, log into your account, then tap on your account's avatar at the top left corner. From here, you'll find the account option at the very beginning. You can tap on it, and from here you can find the personal details. Tap on it, and here you can find all the details of the personal details that you have added on your device or your accounts on the Busha account. Now here you can see you can add the date of birth, you can just add your phone number also. So you just need to tap on this pencil icon. Make sure you have add a valid phone number, so Busha can verify you through the phone number. It will send a code, a verification code to your phone number. Then you have to enter that code to confirming that is your numbers, and it will actually add that number on your profile. So that's how you can just add a phone number on Busha. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.